Hey guys, this video is for those wondering how to add money to my Etrade account. The first thing I want you to do, log into your Etrade account, come to the top, click on a transfer, and then click on a transfer money. Okay? And then choose here the drop down for transfer from. And if you have your account added already, your external funding account, you go ahead and select that, or you can click on add account and add it up. All the on-screen instructions. We'll just choose this account, choose where we want to transfer it to. We have this internal account, the brokerage account for individual. We'll choose that, enter the amount. When you would like that to happen, you can choose a frequency as well. We'll just stick to once. Then you preview everything, preview your transfer, and hit confirm and process the payment. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor. I'll see you on the next one.